Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix your messenger notes not showing problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and start our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your Play Store in a mobile phone and go to search bar and simply type in Messenger. And go ahead, tap on it. So the thing is, if you won't update your app, then you won't be able to access the new updates that it comes with. So you have to make sure that your app is updated. Simply go ahead, tap on this update option that will be given here instead of the open, right? Afterwards, once you're done with that, simply go ahead, access your settings app, and then scroll down and tap on this option called apps, and go ahead, find a particular messenger app right here in the section of apps and tap on it. Now go ahead, tap on the storage of your app, and then here in this section you can find this option called clear cache, right? Go ahead, tap on it. That way you will be able to clear all of the unnecessary storage that is keeping at making your app work a little lag and have all kind of errors. Once you have done this as well, you're gonna go back and then go ahead, open your messenger app, and once you have done so, you will be able to find this notes on people's profile. As you can see over here, they have just done it right there, right? Just like that. And if this still doesn't work, simply go ahead, reinstall your app, and that will be it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.